watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to a series of DIY projects tailored to keep your home cozy even after the holiday season. Discover these easy and charming DIY winter decorations designed to maintain warmth and comfort throughout the winter months. Keep warm with a knit blanket. Make a warm blanket to curl up with on cold winter nights. Handmade fleece blankets. Create your own cozy and easy addition to your winter decor with handmade fleece blankets. Create rustic winter wreaths for an inviting entryway by utilizing natural materials such as pine cones, berries, and foliage. Knitted boot cuffs. During the winter, keep your feet warm and fashionable by making boot cuffs. Holiday table runners. To add a holiday touch to your dining area, make festive table runners using fabric with a winter motif. Handcrafted wool ornaments. Add a personal touch to your house or tree by creating handcrafted wool ornaments to hang or display. Make a charming winter look by draping crochet snowflake garlands around your windows or fireplace. Make your own felt coasters with winter-themed designs to safeguard surfaces and infuse your table settings with a festive vibe. Winter sweater wreath. Make a wreath out of used sweaters to adorn your entryway with a cozy and welcoming accent. Dried orange and eucalyptus wreath. For a crisp winter fragrance, combine dried oranges and eucalyptus to create a natural and fragrant wreath. Winter wreath with bells. Create a gorgeous and joyous door decoration by designing a wreath embellished with bells. Winter cloche centerpiece. Use a clutch to encapsulate a wintry scene and create a visually striking centerpiece. Pine cones and fresh greenery in vintage enamelware. For a rustic winter display, arrange pine cones and fresh greenery in vintage enamelware. Make your own winter garlands to hang around your house to add a festive feel. Winter farmhouse bedroom decor. Add farmhouse-style touches to your bedroom to make it a warm and inviting winter getaway. Winter tiered tray. Create a charming tabletop display in your house by accessorizing a tiered tray with winter-themed decor. Winter printable art. To give your walls a festive feel, hang printable art featuring winter themes. Make a snowflake sign with a vintage feel to it to add a touch of nostalgia to your holiday decor. Paper snowflake wall hanging. For a whimsical touch, make a wall hanging with paper snowflakes. Winter snowflake coasters. Create coasters with a snowy motif to shield surfaces. Glass jar tea light holders. For a soft, comforting glow, turn glass jars into sophisticated tea light holders. Create a rustic winter atmosphere by creating snowy mason jar lanterns with mason jars. This is a DIY mason jar light project. Make your own DIY iced winter branches to add a chilly, ornamental element to your house. DIY woodland sign. Create a sign with a woodland theme to bring a rustic and endearing touch to your interior design. Christmas tree wall hanging. For a distinctive and joyous piece of decor, make a wall hanging that resembles a Christmas tree. These DIY winter decorations are designed to maintain coziness and charm in your home long after the holiday season has passed. Which of these projects will you try to keep your space warm and inviting throughout the winter? Enjoy creating a cozy sanctuary that embraces the spirit of the season.